There's a rainbow. There is a smell of hay, very nice smell of hay.
It's a different country of the world. I love it. Oh, look this beautiful thing she's making.
Chitracote Waterfall. Is this place? I don't know who that is, but the waterfall is there. This is a no selfie zone, I think, because it is dangerous to go here and take photographs of yourself. Chitrakote Waterfalls. Very beautiful. And the river. You can take a boat trip. I don't think we will do that. These are one of the tribal dancers from the Muria tribe we saw yesterday. There's a rainbow. A little one over there. And the big one is here.
Huge, it's like a village. They make a temporary village there. Okay. And whatever the tribal people sell, everything, it is exhibited there. So from 26th to 31st, 4 days.
This has been a governmental meeting yesterday. Beautiful trees everywhere in India. These are tribal people. They initiated this yesterday. This new little steps here, the stairs here. The river, the waterfalls.
Indravati. Indravati, the name of the river.
Yeah.
Indravati.
Indravati.
Indravati,
Okay.
yes, right. Also, yes.
These are sal trees where the natives get liquor.
It is illegal. What they do is. Yeah.
They are harvesting the rice field here. And they are looking at us. There is a smell of hay, very nice smell of hay. It's a hard work and the sun is shining. They are very fast with their work. Afterwards, they shall take it home. They are moving rather fast, I think. Harvest time. School children. Muria sculpture.
Yes, government encouraged them to promote this art in all over the world.
Sculptures at the entrance. Let's go inside.
They have an outlet here, or you can see the factory.
Yes.
Is it all right to just...
Yes. We know.
Oh,
This is the waxing.
oh nice.
They make a very huge. So they visit different countries of the world. All over the world.
Oh, look at this beautiful thing she's making.
Very precise, very accurate. Very nice. A turtle. They make a figure like that and then they put a wax on. Then they put another clay outside the wax. And they make it dry and they put hot water in that makes the wax disappear. And then the messing in these holes. And then this come out. Dr. J.K. Baghel. I think this is a generational, the youngest sculptor I think is here. Many good things here. Traditional crafts and a mermaid. The little mermaid in the middle of India. Strange things happen. And drummers. Where are the drummers?
Yes, all the drummers are here.
They are there.
Swimming Niagara.
Oh, and castle cows. 400 rupees for a turtle. This is a
Sometimes
little
that
child
combination
place.
we don't like because it is not good for the tummy. Because chai is made from milk. Milk is fermented there. Samosa is from the oil. Oil and milk is the opposite direction. Okay.
A little samosa snack here in Kondagaon. And the driver also. price list, and they have Coca-Cola, and they have more prices than out there.
This is also by the side of the road.
Yes.
By the side of the road, we have to choose which is a good one.
Yeah.
Sleeping time.
Yes, good one.
Good night, good night.
Good night, good night.
Why not? If you have it.
Say he cannot go. So law goes always in the support of the government. I like to make sex with my husband. So she will sign, you will sign, then the sex will activate.
And
So that is not possible. That is.
It's so cool.
दूधवा डाले?
हाँ,
अच्छा।
29
दूधवा कितना दिखाता है?
29 किलोमीटर.
अच्छा, तो ठीक.
Very beautiful.
Very big. This is the reason sometimes it is difficult for us to look at the road. You understand the things?
Yeah.
Because we see this thing, because we come seasonally.
Yeah.
So we can see there is nothing here. When in next October we come, it's full.
Next, everything has changed.
Yeah, it's changed.
Raipur.
No, there's a house.
Hotel will be reaching 10 minutes.
This is 7 o'clock
Yes.
on Raipur. And I think this is a flyway. Is that right?
I don't know.
No flyway.
We're on the ground.
Now we are ground.
Ground
Why
way.
we finished?
Okay.
वो सीधा गया है यार.
नहीं,
Now it's a flyway.
आगे वाला.
आगे वाला. अच्छा.
Stow. Q.
This is Marriott.
This is
This is the highway, yeah.
hotel.
This is exactly by the side of the highway. You are.
Oh, it's easy, yeah. And what about you?
I have to search now.
This is in
Tribal welcome in Marriott. More tribal welcome here. Oh yes. Marriott Homeboy. And reception. Det er rigtig luksus det her. Luxury. 6,000 rupees.
Yeah, here for
He came from Bangalore. Oh, wonderful. Very nice. Oh, yes.
If you need any further assistance, you can reach out to us. We will be ready to assist you.
Hollywood. Oh yeah, a wonderful room.